Hey friends, welcome back to Creative Study. Today we are going to understand a core piece of SwiftUI called ViewBuilder. If you have ever written a VStack or HStack or returned multiple views in SwiftUI, you are using it. But what if you want to build your own custom layout or conditionally return views? That's where ViewBuilder shines. In this SwiftUI tutorial, we will deep dive into ViewBuilder, the magical features that powers SwiftUI layouts. Learn how to use it custom views, conditional logic, and build your own reusable layouts. It's ideal for beginners and intermediate developers. So what is ViewBuilder? ViewBuilder is a result builder provided by SwiftUI that lets you build multiple views into a single view, which is returning closure, without manually combining them. It powers the body of SwiftUI views, stacks, stacks like VStack or HStack or JetStack, and custom view containers. These builders allow developers to write declarative code that resembles a domain specific language. SwiftUI heavily relies on ViewBuilder to create a fluent and intuitive syntax for UI construction. If you have ever written a VStack, HStack or JetStack with multiple child views inside, you have already used ViewBuilder even if you didn't explicitly know it. So let's start by creating a new project. We will set the name ViewBuilder demo. As you can see, this VStack closure has two views. One is for image and another is text view. Normally in Swift, function returns one value, but SwiftUI lets us write many views in curly braces because of ViewBuilder. Now let's try it with ViewBuilder block. We will add ViewBuilder dot build block. We can also use like this with comma separated view values, as you can see in the preview. Under the hood, SwiftUI is using ViewBuilder dot build block to combine those views. So you don't write dot build block, but Swift does it for you. Let's build one custom view builder. So let's create a struct CardView. We have to say content view and return type will be view. We'll add init. Within this we will add @view builder content, and within the content we will pass closure with escaping. And we will return the closure with content. We will set self.content equal to content. Now we will create a body. Within this we will add VStack. In this we will return content. Like this. We will set some padding, background, corner radius with shadow. The magic is in the view builder keyword. in the initializer, it allows us to pass multiple views like this. Let's try it with this card view within the content view like this. You can pass multiple numbers of views within this like this. We'll set the font with headline. Now add one divider, then again we will call text. This is inside a custom card. Okay, we will add some padding. Without ViewBuilder, you would get a compiler error for returning multiple views, but now clean and readable. Now let's start with conditional views. ViewBuilder also supports if-else conditions and even switch statements, which is perfect for building dynamic UIs. So let's try it. For ViewBuilder, default function status view is online, returning with some view. If is online, then return some text with user is online with foreground color green. And else we will also call text with user is offline with foreground color red. This function returns different views based on the condition, and ViewBuilder handles it gracefully. You can use ViewBuilder in many places like custom layout containers, reusable view groups, toggle between loading or other views, and even creating your own version of VStack or list. ViewBuilder works only for views, not general purpose Swift functions. For more than 10 views, Swift will group them into a tuple view or group. Don't overuse complex logic inside a ViewBuilder. Keep it and make it clean. So what are the cons? The first one is, as I already said, tuple limitations. Swift only supports up to 10 views in a tuple, although SwiftUI uses groups to overcome this. It still adds complexity when composing many child views. And the second one is debugging is difficult. When something goes wrong inside a ViewBuilder, Swift's error messages can be vague or misleading. Debugging large view hierarchies can become painful. Third one, restricted to views. ViewBuilder is only for views. You can't use it for general purpose functions or return other types, which limits its flexibility compared to custom result builders. And the fourth one is hidden performance cost. Since SwiftUI relies on view diffing and reconciliation, misusing ViewBuilder with large dynamic conditions or deep nesting may create unnecessary rendering overhead. And the final thoughts are, ViewBuilder is one of the core building blocks of SwiftUI's declarative syntax. It abstracts away the complexity of combining multiple views, supports rich layout composition, and allows developers to create cleaner, more modular code. When it comes with limitations and potential pitfall, and understanding how to use ViewBuilder effectively will help you write more expressive, flexible, and scalable SwiftUI applications. So that's it for the ViewBuilder class. Thanks for watching this video. If this video will be helpful, don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more SwiftUI content from Creative Study. Want me to dive into custom layout builders or advanced animations next? Let me know. Thank you.